Okay, here we are, July 5th, 2021, visiting Avalon. I'm only going to make an outside video because nothing much changed inside. I'm waiting till all the furniture is delivered. The only thing that was done was the air conditioner, but that's not enough to show. So I'll just do that in the next video after the cabinets. I'm waiting for the cabinets and the furniture all to come in, and then you'll see a big leap from last time for the inside. But outside, there's a lot of new things happening here. We got a Blazhenko, which is a supermarket. And then we got a Yushchenko. I don't know what that is, but it just sells cleaning supplies and light cosmetics and things like that. There's a post office over there, Ukrainian Post. The Nova Poshta, the private post office, is just on the next block. And supposedly there's a clinic and beauty salon or something, a massage parlor or something coming. And this is a doors and windows place. You can see another building has popped up since last time. You know, we got people here. So yeah, it's moving along. You know, I think finally all the dust will be done here. So yeah, you can see this other shops here. Now what's interesting about this building on the far end, it looks like they're building, you'll see on the very far end here. These don't look like apartments, they look like offices. They don't have any balcony allocation, or the windows are all very long. It could be apartments. I mean, I could be mistaken. Maybe it was added on, but I don't think that was in the original drawings for Avalon. So I think they added on an office building. I think that's common. I've seen that on another project here in Lviv, where the building had extra floors and extra buildings than what the original plan did. Now this building looks like it's almost getting ready to be turned over to the owners. And then we have another building here, and there's a flower shop that opened up over there, and I think a coffee shop or something is coming, or hair salon, another one, beauty salon. They have a lot more of those in Ukraine than they do supermarkets, I can tell you that. So for every supermarket you see, you can expect 2 or 3 beauty salons. So yeah, on this far end too, these look like more like offices as well, rather than standard apartments. And now this is opened up. This was closed. Okay, now this is the building where I live. This is my apartment here. You can see I got my air conditioner on the outside. But I said after the cabinets are done and the furniture is delivered, I'll give a final inside tour. You know, so no point going inside this time around because nothing, like I said, nothing is, no new developments really. So you can see here they're constructing away. So I haven't been here because of all the lockdowns, and then I had some delays with my immigration in Norway, so I haven't been here in like 3.5, 4 months. But it looks like they have done a lot, even with all the corona. The corona is more crazy here than in Norway. This is underwater or underground water infrastructure. It looks like, could even be gas, I'm not sure. It looks more like water infrastructure to me. And now we have some gates coming in. I don't know if they work. So yeah, I think our building, we were the first building, it's kind of hard to see in this light, had more balconies. And the other buildings don't have so many balconies. I was thinking I wanted to move into one of these back buildings at some point, but I mean, I don't know. This one here looks more like the one I live in. And I think probably these apartments here are probably the best ones in the development in terms of being far off the back of the road and right on a playground. But I'm happy where I'm at, you know. But I think, yeah, this is section 4. So we have a playground here, you know, a very high-tech playground. Looks like more shops are up for lease and everything is ready. So yeah, I'll just keep walking around and show you guys around. Sorry about the lighting. The sun is just out at an inopportune position today. So yeah, the kids are playing just like the advertisements are showing. You know, people are flying their flags. A lot of IT people live here. This is nice. Someone putting some balcony flowers. Now this building here doesn't have any shops. It's got apartments on the first floor. So yeah, that's it's quite well done. I mean, the landscaping I think will eventually come along. I saw in the Viber group that they're discussing to get a landscaping company and to do up some really nice bushes. But it's once all that construction is over, this is going to be really quiet back here. Yeah, it's I like the brown color better personally than this gray color, but I guess variety is the spice of life. Now this is like a daycare center here that has opened up. I'm not sure. I think those basements are the way to a garage and storage units and what have you. So yeah, so now we are connected. The water. Yeah, this is there's a storage facility over there, like a storage locker place like you see on Storage Wars, and then this is like some Ukrainian government company here. So it is pretty quiet back here. Okay, this is where the sidewalk ends. It looks like we have just footpaths, so you have to climb up in sandals. Yeah, so there's another gate. Not sure if it's working or not. And then this is a house, private house being torn down. I don't know if Avalon has bought it and they're developing it or someone else bought it. But there is a lot happening in this area. There's definitely a shortage of shops. I found a haircut for 40 hryvnia in town, but it cost me 100 hryvnia on Uber to get there. But it was walking distance to the center, so I was able to, it wasn't just for the haircut. I was able to walk to the city center, get some lunch, meet my friends, and what have you. So it wasn't a wasted trip. But yeah, it looks like something is going on here. People are moving in. This is the flower shop. Buy your flowers there. So yeah, and then I'm almost back where we started. So and yeah, so if you're interested in Avalon, drop me a line. I can get you connected with them, or you can find them easily with the Google search Avalon Lviv and get yourself an apartment here. But I think these are all sold out. So, but there are some things available on the secondhand market. It's coming along. It's been slow, I have to say that. But I think that's because of the pandemic, and Ukraine is a little bit behind on vaccinations and herd immunity and all these things. So, but it's getting done. I'm amazed at how much got done in 3 months just with this one building going up so quickly. So I think in another 3 or 6 months, most of this should be done, and it'll be just a lot of interior work and landscaping happening over there. And you can see I have the windows and open, let some air in. But you got to have these balcony windows because it can surprise rain. So just keep one open for some air to come in, but don't open them all because it can rain on you pretty hard. And I got a Mitsubishi air conditioner, smart air conditioner. I have to say the air doesn't come out so harsh and so cold. It was worth the extra money. Air conditioners go anywhere from $500 to $2,500. I mean, $500 to $2,500. So I would recommend spending a little extra money. You'll get it back on energy savings and comfort and what have you. It looks like these are air conditioning lines that'll go in for this, whatever they're building here. So yeah. Okay. All right. Well, give me a like and subscribe, and more to come in the coming months. And I say months, not weeks. I wish it was weeks. But the cabinets, the interior, the closets, they are taking time. They were had to be designed specifically, and I think part of it will go up next week, and then I have to wait a few more weeks for the covers, because they'll make the covers after they put up the frames, so they can make more precise measurements. So, and then I think the furniture is 1 to 2 months away. You have to order furniture here unless you want some crazy ugly colors. They have like these orange and really funky colors in stock, and then the normal European style has to be ordered and takes a long time. So yeah, so I think maybe I'm thinking maybe September I'll have a wrap-up video, and everything will be done, you know, August or September in time frame. Everything should be wrapped up and mostly done. Then it'll be just hanging pictures and carpets and, you know, doing like small stuff that is not, you know, that you would do anyway as a homeowner. You know, you would get the idea. Anyway, thank you, and goodbye.